Today's question is: what are the characteristics and risks of fungi? Before microscopes were invented, living things were grouped into just two categories: plants and animals. But when people started using microscopes, they discovered tiny organisms that couldn't be seen with the naked eye. These tiny organisms are called microorganisms because they can only be seen under a microscope. Microorganisms are divided into three groups: bacteria, fungi, and protists. Some members of these groups are large enough to be seen without a microscope, but this lesson will focus only on the tiny ones that require a microscope to see. Fungi are a diverse group of organisms that include molds, yeasts, and mushrooms. They are neither plants nor animals, and they obtain nutrients by breaking down organic matter in their environment. Have you heard of athlete's foot? Or eaten what you thought was the clean part of moldy bread? Maybe you've enjoyed the taste of creamy mushroom soup. What do all these have in common? They're all fungi. Let's talk about moldy bread again. Can you safely eat the clean part of it? The answer is no. There's no such thing as a truly clean part of moldy bread. The green or brown fuzzy spots you see on the surface are just the visible part. Underneath, there's a hidden network of tiny, thread-like roots called hyphae that spread through the bread even if you can't see them. Also, taking another slice from the same loaf isn't safe. Once you see mold, the fungus has already grown its reproductive part, called the sporangium. This releases thousands of tiny spores. Even if you can't see them, the fungus could already be spreading throughout the entire loaf of bread. Fungi generally have three main parts: the mycelium, the fruiting body, and the spores. The mycelium is made up of a network of tiny thread-like structures called hyphae. The fruiting body is the part of the fungus that produces and releases spores, which are the basic units of fungi used to reproduce. In conclusion, fungi are amazing organisms with special features that help them survive in different places. They can be helpful, like in making food and medicine, but they can also cause problems, like spoiling food or causing infections. Learning how fungi grow and spread helps us understand their role in nature and take steps to avoid any harmful effects.